kasabihan po tayo.
Sa Ikbulaga na panood ang original child talent search on TV, Little Miss Philippines.
Get away, they say what they gonna say. Have a drink, clink, clouds of blood, like bad girls like me. It's all to come by the patron. Oh, let's go get it on. It's on, yes, come in, it's on. It's 2, 3, leave a good tip. I'm a roll, I'm a money, and don't give it on the floor, floor. I love to dance, now give me more, more. Till I can't stand, get on the floor, floor. Like it's your last chance. Everyone more, more. Then here I am. Starships were meant to fly, hands up and touch the sky. Can't stop 'cause we're so high. Let's do this one more time. Starships were meant to fly, hands up and touch the sky. Let's do this one last time. Hands up.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Meron tayong kasabihan na ang batang mabait pupunta sa langit. Pero ang batang mahilig sa tsokolate, siguradong mabubungi. Ako po si Marie Pauline Luna from Tandang Sora, Quezon City, Little Miss Philippines 1995 candidate.
Bulaga, ang unang entablado ng batang Filipino. That's my boy!
I tried playing it cool, girl, when I'm looking at you. I can't ever be brave, 'cause you make my heart race. Shot me out of the sky, you're my kryptonite. You keep making me weak, yeah, frozen and can't breathe. Something's gotta give now, 'cause I'm dying just to make you see that I need you here with me now. 'Cause you've got that one thing. So get out, get out, get out of my head and fall into my arms instead. I don't know what it is, but I need that one thing. You've got that one thing.
Talas ba ng isipan ng pag-uusapan? Kayang-kaya ko yan, kahit anong tula pa. Makakabisa ko yan, with feelings pa. Kung dati ako ang inyong tumutol ng katipunero, ngayon, ako naman ang bibihag sa mga puso ninyo. BJ Forbes po, a.k.a. Tolitz, That's My Boy 2003 finalist.
Talent na naman ang pag-uusapan. Ako na naman nag-iisang wonder boy ng inyong tanghalian pagdating sa sayawan. Ang sabi nga nila, ang batang magaling sa sayawan, paglaki, inyong kakikiligan. That's My Boy, first runner-up 1998, Stephen Claude B. Goyong. Goyong, for short.
Top diskarte. Yan ang katangian ng isang Mr. Poging katulad ko.
Sa 8 Bulaga na kilala ang mga tunay na TV heartthrobs. Mr. Pogi.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh! Hindi kayo nagulat, ano? Kasi hindi naman talaga kagulat-gulat eh. Ako to! Walang iba! Alam mo ba ang pogi? dapat complete package. But I'm not just complete package. I'm one big excess baggage. So girls, relax lang. I'm here to take care of your heart. Jimmy Santos, Mr. Pogi nung araw. Kaya lang, gabi na.
Gulat kayo, no? Alam kong na-miss nyo ako. Pero mas na-miss kong pakiligin kayo. Oo, girls! Kalma lang! Dito lang ako. Diyan lang kayo. Dahil hindi naman tayo kasya dito eh. Pero sa puso ko, kahit ilan pa kayo, pagkakasyahin ko kayo. Dahil malaki ang aking puso. Edgar Ana Guzman, your Mr. Pogi 2006 Grand Winner.